Hey, to take the scroll screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to take the screenshot with the normal standard method. So in my case, I'm using this gesture. I'm swiping from the left edge of the screen to the right one, like this, and I have to click on this icon. And now my phone is actually scrolling screen. So if I want to go more, I have to click like this on this arrow until I capture the whole settings. There we go. And now I can click on it, and as you can see, that's my scroll screenshot. Also, we can do this by selecting, for example, this standard screenshot shortcut from the quick settings, and it looks identical. So you're taking screenshot, and now you can just scroll with this icon. Of course, I'm at the bottom of the list, so let's repeat. There we go. Click on it, and it's done. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.